Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the lesson of separation of substance. In the last class, we about the separation of substance and the method of separation, that is threshing, winnowing, and sieving. These type of method of separation and all we saw. Now we are going to see about sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. See, sometimes we cannot use winnowing and hand picking method for separating the particles. During that time, how we can use, what type of method we can use, let us see. First we can see sedimentation means, for example, if you are taking rice, before cooking the rice, what you will do, we have to remove the small dust particles. How we can remove it? For example, you take the rice in a vessel and add some water. After adding it, that process is called sedimentation. When the heavier compound in the mixture settles after water adding to it, that process is called sedimentation. After the water added, we have to remove the water from that particle. That process is called decantation. By removing the water, the dust also removes along with it. This process is called decantation. Sedimentation means heavier component in a mixture settles after water is added to it. That process is called sedimentation. When the water removed along with the dust is called as a decantation. The sedimentation and decantation, same principle is also used for separating two liquids. When the two liquids is mixed each other, for example, if you are mixing the water and oil, leave it for some time to stand. The top layer will be the oil and the down layer will be the water. It can also be separated by using the decantation method. Next, we will see the other example, that is a tea, preparation of tea. Already we saw that we can use decantation method here, but during decantation method, all the tea leaves cannot be removed. So we use the filtration method, that is a strainer which is used to filter the tea. This process is called filtration. Sometimes to get safe drinking water, we also use this filtration method. See, one activity is given. Collect some muddy water. Where we are collecting this some muddy water, from a pond or a river. If this water is not available to you, you can take a water and mix some soil in a glass. After a half an hour, you just fill the glass without disturbing the water. Now you can remove the pure water into another glass. In the second class, till some muddy or brown in color water will be present. Now we are removing this muddy or brown water using tea strainer, that is filtration method. After that also some dirty water will be present. Then the third step what we are going to do means piece of a cloth. Using the cloths we are filtering the water. Even though we use cloth, still some holes are present in that pure water we cannot able to get. Then what we can do, we can do the filtration using the filter paper. By using this filter paper we can get a pure water. Okay, what are the method we saw in this class? Sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. Sedimentation means from the heavier particle we are adding the water. After adding the water, we remove the dust particles along with the water, is called as a decantation. Filtration means using the strainer, removing the unwanted dust, is called as a filtration. Okay, students. You will get this worksheet as a PDF. Write the answer and send it to 6th Science Snaps group, timing from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you, students.